Oneers, and welcome to our third week. I hope you're all doing well and that you've had a lovely weekend, a bit of time to recharge. So, we kick off this week, of course, with our fact of the week, which happens to be about pandas. And did you know that pandas don't have particular sleeping spots? They simply fall asleep wherever they happen to be. Kind of reminds me of a cat. Wouldn't you say so? Imagine that, just knocking out wherever. Pretty cool. That's our fact of the week. For this week, we have our first thematic unit. I know that we have been looking at some nuts and bolts, some preliminaries to gear up our class, but now we have our first thematic unit, communities and us. Because if you'll recall, our larger theme is the human experience, and now is communities and us. And of course, we have our respective first paper that will be presented in this module, as well as the outline for it. We also have an important rating that I'm sure you'll revisit because it's helpful in understanding the requirements of our writing, right? Academic writing. So let's dive in. Let's check that out. Here's what we got for this week. So, first thing we have is our reading by Al Lenny Irvin. What is academic writing? So, check this out. It's written in such a way that it's easy to get through, and I'm sure that you'll revisit it again. You want to pay attention to golden quotes, key concepts, key ideas. What stands out to you from this writing? And also, what could you use from what you learned here? How can you apply it to your own understanding of academic writing? Remember to also reply to at least one classmate's post. Next thing. We have our reading our Hot Cheetos article. So this is cool because this guy that created the Hot Cheetos very much is a good springboard for our paper Dream Chasing. So please read this. This happens here in Guasti over by Rancho Cucamonga. So it's a cool one. Make sure to reply to this. Then here comes our dream chasing essay. Please check out the video on that where I describe it here. Here are deadlines for it. First thing's the outline, which is due next Tuesday, the March 11. Welcome to March, y'all. It's a new month. We're gonna have our workshop next week for it, as usual, and final drafts the 25th. If you haven't done so already, do I already saying the same thing, but I'm serious. Buy yourself your wall calendar, write your deadlines in, and that will make all the difference in the world. Here's some student samples. All right, please check that out. And here is the brainstorm. Please get that in. Check out the video for more info on that. March 11, it's due. And that is what we have for this week. If you have any questions, let me know. Peace. See you.